How to register to crypto.com PayID. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mr. and today I'll guide you on how you can register to crypto.com PayID. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. To register a crypto.com PayID, simply log into your crypto.com app. Now once you're logged in, you want to simply navigate to the option to create a PayID. To do so, you want to first tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you do so, from the pop-up on the left, you should be able to find the option that says PayID. You can head into it. You'll be prompted to choose a unique identifier that will be associated with your account, which can then be used by others to send you funds directly through the crypto.com platform. This is how you can easily register for crypto.com PayID. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.